Hello children, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School. This is your online class of SST. Today we will discuss chapter 11, Save the Environment. These days you can see information on pollution levels in different cities of India on the television as well as in the newspapers. Let's begin by understanding the meaning of the term pollution. The process of making air, soil, water, or land dirty by adding harmful substances to them is known as pollution. There are two more terms which are important in order to understand the topic of pollution: pollutant and polluter. A substance that pollutes something, especially the environment, is known as pollutant. For example, the smoke from factories is a pollutant. Polluter is the person or factor that causes pollution. In this example, factory is the polluter. There are different types of pollutions. Air pollution. Our environment has a fine balance of various gases. Oxygen is one of the main gases. All living beings require oxygen to breathe. However, excessive use of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum has increased air pollution. The gases released as byproducts of burning fossil fuels are very harmful for our health, like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Trees are the natural purifiers provided by our environment. They absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen into the environment. However, excessive deforestation has disturbed the process of air purification. The ozone layer prevents the harmful rays of the sun, which can cause many harmful diseases. Big holes in the ozone layer have been observed by the scientists due to the overuse of CFCs, that is, chlorofluorocarbons. Ways to stop air pollution. We can take some steps to stop air pollution. We must use cleaner energy resources like solar energy and wind power. We should use fuels like CNG to reduce vehicular pollution. We should plant more trees. We must not burn plastic waste because it causes the emission of poisonous gases. Water pollution. Polluted water is harmful for living organisms because both aquatic and non-aquatic animals depend on water for survival, and polluted water can cause many diseases like jaundice, typhoid, etc. Ways to stop water pollution. We must take firm steps to stop water pollution. The toxic industrial waste should be properly treated before it goes to water bodies. Garbage, sewage waste, industrial waste should not be thrown in or near water. Bathing, washing clothes, etc. in the rivers must be discouraged. All chemical waste should be treated before being disposed of because litter makes the water bitter. So, water pollution must be stopped. Soil pollution. We cannot survive without food. However, the kind of food we get may contain poisonous substances transferred from chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, etc. Not only this, tons and tons of solid waste is buried in the ground every day. This is another major cause of soil pollution. Ways to stop soil pollution. Prevent dumping of garbage in open. Build compost pit to dispose biodegradable waste. Use different dustbins to dispose biodegradable wastes in green dustbin and non-biodegradable wastes in blue dustbin. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides should be discouraged. More trees should be planted. Noise pollution. हम प्रतिदिन कई तरह की साउंड सुनते हैं. उनमें से कुछ हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती, जैसे ब्लेयरिंग हॉर्न्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स, लाउड स्पीकर्स, कांस्टेंट ड्रमिंग ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एटसेट्रा. इससे नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है विच कैन लीड टू लॉस ऑफ हियरिंग, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर एंड मैनी अदर स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड डिजीजेज. Ways to stop noise pollution. We must not play music very loudly. We should not encourage use of loudspeakers in public functions and celebrations. We should not burst loud firecrackers on festivals because firecrackers are major cause of noise and air pollution and fire related accidents. Burning loud firecrackers can even lead to a permanent loss of hearing. We must discourage the use of excessive honking while driving. Some people use pressure horns in vehicles for fun. Waste management. It is important today that we manage and dispose waste responsibly. Waste can be classified as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste has to be recycled and reused. It is important to understand the 3 R's of waste management. The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce. Buy and use things with least packaging. Use your own cloth bag, jute bag, basket for shopping. Reduce the use of private vehicles. Save energy by switching off all electrical equipments when not in use. Reduce overflowing and wastage of water. Reduce cutting down of trees. Reuse. Use both sides of paper to write. Reuse gift wrapping paper and envelopes. Use newspapers for gift wrapping. Use steel utensils and cutlery instead of disposable cutlery. Recycle. We must try to recycle as much as we can. Most of the recyclable products like paper, plastic, etc. should never be disposed of carelessly. They should be disposed of as recyclable waste. Look children, कितनी हंसती मुस्कुराती थी हमारी अर्थ, और हमने इसे क्या बना दिया है? हमने इसे कितना पोल्यूट कर दिया है. शी इज क्राइंग फॉर हेल्प. हमारी अर्थ हमसे कह रही है पोल्यूशन रोको, मुझे बचाओ. सो चिल्ड्रन, डोंट डू एंड लेट अदर्स डू टू पोल्यूट आवर प्लैनेट, बिकॉज life is possible only on earth. Protect it. Now children, this lesson has been completed. Thank you. Bye bye.